right.
I know they're having a show in there, right? It's so exciting.
All right. You ready, Is? Turn around.
Hello, my friends.
Hello.
My name is Misty, and I'm one of the head elves here at the North Pole Satellite Station here at Sesame. What's your name?
Izzy.
It's nice to meet you. And what's your name?
Lori.
It's nice to meet you both. Are you guys ready to see Santa?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What are you going to ask Santa for this year?
What are you going to ask him for?
Do you have anything? Do you know yet? Or are you still deciding?
Big Bird?
Yeah. Oh, okay. See, I think I need your help. I can't get this door open to see Santa, but I think I need your elf magic combined with mine, and together we could open up this door, or maybe this bookcase, or maybe the tree will lift up. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we need a way to get in to see Santa, okay? Okay. So, on the count of 3, we're going to use our twinkly fingers, and something in here is going to open up. Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that, Is. Yes. Super awesome. Say hello.
She's got the best magic in the world. Santa might even outdo my elf magic.
Yours?
Yeah, because I thought the tree was about to lift off the ground. I thought something crazy was about to start happening.
Well, you guys can come this way. Maybe you should try it.
Okay, ready, Is?
You guys want anything in particular for Christmas?
What do you want, Is, for Christmas?
Baby.
Baby doll? Is that what you said, baby dolls? I know you like baby dolls.
Baby dolls? I think we can make that. You guys come on this way.
All right, ready? Oh my goodness.
Now we just have to knock to see if he's ready.
You ready, Is? Go ahead.
Yeah, you're back.
Yes, he remembers. We were here once before.
And you got
2? Really? 2 of them?
Yes.
Why you got 2 of them? Because she has 2 hands, right?
Yes, yes. Yes, that's right. He loves
So
Grover.
what's happening? You will still want what you want? Yeah. Have you been good all the time? And that smile is awesome. She has a great smile.
Yes, she does.
You got
Yeah,
a great
awesome.
smile. Yeah. Awesome. Oh, let me see.
Oh, because she remembers that.
Still.
Yes.
Yep, it still does.
Yes.
Yeah. Do your shoes squeak? You want to
Oh.
sit there? Okay. She knows exactly. Should I sit on your lap?
Yeah.
Okay.
She remembers
Okay, let me
that.
see. Remember what I wanted? Yeah, that too. And $1 million. Can you give me $1 million? A Mercedes Benz. Yeah. And 2 tickets to the Super Bowl. Can you do that for me? Okay. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your thumb squeaks too. Your kids squeak all over the place. Oh my goodness. Hey, I want to say you something. I want to say you a secret. Let me see. Whoa!
Right behind
Whoa.
you. Is, what are you doing?
Do you remember this?
Yeah.
Can you help me with it?
Yeah.
Can you fix it? Let's see. Wait, what? What happened? I need your help. Can you draw one here for me? That's awesome. I love it. I love it. I hope this works. It's looking good. You made it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I need some colors. I'm gonna take some red. Ooh, ooh. And some of this. Oh, oh. And some purple. Oh, oh. Yeah. You think it works? Oh, in your shoes? Yep. Oh, yeah. Red. Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
What did you do? You fixed it. Look, there's Santa Claus. Awesome. Thank you so much for helping me with my coloring book.
Oh my goodness.
Yay! Oh, oh no. Guess what happened? I shook it. It happened, look. Oh! Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
Draw again, draw. Yes. You missed the spot right there. Yes. Perfect. And you see, it's not working yet. Well, wait. Whoa. Did you feel that? You did? You did it. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. And of course you have colors, right? Do you have colors on you? Yeah, can I use the towel? Take some of mine. Yes!
Oh my gosh.
Yes. You did. Look, she didn't go outside the lines or nothing. You
Oh my
see?
goodness.
Yeah.
Good job, Biz.
High five. Good job. Hey, happy Thanksgiving, huh? Yeah, it's pretty. I gotta put her toys back, okay?
Yes.
We'll put her back. We'll always put her toys away.
You're sitting there again, Iz. Oh my goodness.
What? You're not Santa Claus? Let me see. No, you're not Santa Claus.
No. Oh, say thank you so much, Santa.
You're so good. Be nice and kind, right?
Picture? Yeah, she's taking pictures.
We're gonna have you sit on my knee and get a picture.
Yes, Iz. Ready? Look here. Say cheese. Big
Say
smile.
cookies. Cookies.
Oh, there you go, cookies.
You got the tickle bugs in you, right? You have a tickle bug in you?
Yeah.
Tickle, 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 tickle.
Thank you.
You
Nope.
are so much fun. You
Yes.
know that?
You ready?
Always got a smile on her face.
Yes.
Yep.
And tell Santa your birthday's Saturday, too.
This Saturday?
Yes, it
Oh
is.
my, I'll be here.
Yeah.
I'll be here.
What are you doing? You getting relaxed and comfy there?
Okay, I'm gonna go home with her, okay? You
Okay.
stay here.
That works. All right, guys, sit
Be
down.
good and kind, okay?
All right.
And happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Thank you. All right. Take care, guys. Super fun. Super fun. Bye-bye.